In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view editor points on Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and head to the Live Map or Waze Editor page. This is where you can explore map details and view information connected to places, landmarks, and the editors who have worked on them. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds so all the map tools appear properly. Once you're on the live map, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This area contains the main editing and information tools you'll need. If you're new to the Waze interface, don't worry because everything is fairly visual and easy to spot once you know where to look. Next, click on the pencil icon. This icon opens the editing-related view and helps you interact with map elements more directly. It's the key tool for accessing the details behind places and landmarks, including who edited them. After that, move your cursor over the map area. As you hover across the map, look for a place or landmark you can select. Try to position your cursor carefully so you're choosing the correct map item. If the map feels crowded, zooming slightly or moving more slowly can make it easier to target the right location. Now click on the place or landmark to open its details panel. This panel usually appears with more information about the selected location. It's an important step because the editor information is connected to the item's detail view, not just the map itself. Once the details panel is open, take a close look through the information shown there. This is where you'll be able to find the editor-related section. Depending on the exact item you selected, the layout may vary slightly, but the editor's name should be visible in the panel. When you see the editor's name, click on it. This action will take you to that editor's profile page. Make sure you click directly on the name, since that is what opens the profile with the additional account and contribution details. A new tab will open, and from there you can view the editor points. This profile page is where Waze shows the editor's information, including their points and other public editing stats. If you don't immediately see the points, give the page a second to fully load. And that's all it takes to view editor points on Waze. Just open the map, use the pencil icon, select a place or landmark, open the details panel, click the editor's name, and check their profile in the new tab.